Hi friends, first make sure that both mobile phone and TV both are connected to same Wi-Fi network. So here we can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. So here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that in TV go to settings, then select system, then select cast. So here we need to select always. Select always here. Then in mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open it. Then we need to log in with Gmail ID. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect nearby casting devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it has detected one device. You can see the name of the device here. This is the name of the TV I am using. Tap on that, then tap on cast my screen, then tap on cast screen. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to stop this, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, so please try it.